Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody is having a great day. I'm just on my way to my lash fill right now. I have to run some earrings and like do my toes and stuff because girl, they are due. For the video, it's just a little vlog that I'm gonna be doing, so stay tuned. So I just got here to Starbucks. I got her me and her both, I got her a strawberry acai, so that was fast. I got my drinks. I got her a strawberry acai and I got myself one. They have Sonic Ice. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and head over there. I'm like a couple minutes away, not too far. So your girl got done my lashes. They look so good. Right now we're gonna go take a trip ahorita to the lash store, so we'll see y'all when we see y'all. I'll catch y'all later. This is the store here. It's located on Rose Road. Such a store. Let me make sure. But this is how cute it looks. And then they have all the lashes. They have the pieces, bands, lash tiles. They have the tweezers as well, mirrors. And then they have more stuff as well. Look how cute. It's all pink. It's so cute. This Hello Kitty one. I got me a kid's mount.
I love how she parks though.
Literally, I have no chill. I'm dead. So we just came to pick up the food nomás, and we're just gonna head to her house because she has that 12 p.m. appointment. So I'm back. So after I went to Cane's, I came here to get my toes and nails done, and look how cute they are. They're so cute. I love them. Like everything all natural, I love. And I got my toes done as well. I'm fully booked I was booked for October 1st, and I'm booked for October 8th again. So I'm super excited. I am so grateful for all my clients who trust me as a beginner lash tech, and I'm so excited because I do have a sale going on in October. So basically, if you get your lashes done on Sundays, it's $60 for the lash set. And then if you bring a friend with you or anything like that, it's $10 off. So I'm doing that big favor for all my my beautiful queens. So yeah, I'm still here at the nail salon, as you can see. And yeah, and I really love my nails. Like, you have no idea. Like, my lashes done, my nails done, my toes done. I feel complete. Came to get my truck aligned because girl, I'm like swerving. Tail lights here, and they finally came in because somebody wanted to bump into the trailer at work. So this is like bad, so I'm gonna change them out. This one's good, it was just the other one, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fix them. These were the old ones, so they're more reddish, but they're dark. So this is what happened. This happened at work, so I was like, you know what, I don't like anything to be like cracked or messed up like that if I did it, you know. So I went ahead and just ordered some new ones, and I just installed it. Look how good they look. They look so good. And then this is the other side. It looks good. They look good, huh? Came to test out the truck, and it's aligned. So, yeah. He said, what'd you say that I have to do?
Huh?
What do I have to do to the wheels?
Balance the front ones. Front ones on.
I have to balance the front wheels. So I have to go to a tire shop to do that. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what else I should do. I am thinking of doing a challenge with somebody again, if you know what I mean. So hopefully that will be up soon. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye, guys.